Whenever I show IP addresses on my videos, I often see comments like, did bro just dox himself? Or did he just dox himself? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you my IP addresses. Let me know if you think that you'll be able to dox me based on these IP addresses. So I'm going to open up a command prompt and I'll simply type ipconfig to show you my IP addresses. So here's my first IP address, 10.1.1.1. Here's another IP address, 192.168.1.230. Here's another IP address, 172.16.1.1. Now I can connect to the internet, so I can go to google.com as an example. I could do something like go to davidbomble.com. Internet connectivity exists on this laptop, and here are my IP addresses. So would you be able to DDoS me or dox me based on these IP addresses? And the answer is no, because these are RFC 1918 addresses. These are non-routable IP addresses. RFC 1918 or request for comments 1918, address allocation for private internets. Private address space. The Internet Numbers Authority or IANA has reserved the following 3 blocks of IP address space for private internets. Anything in the 10 range, so 10.8 prefix. 172.16 to 172.31, so 172.16/12 prefix. 192, so in other words 192.168/16 prefix. All these addresses are addresses in that range of RFC addresses. So these are non-routable on the internet. You're probably using one of these addresses in your network right now. And that's because within a home network, as an example, or within a business, most companies and most people are going to be using private IP addresses that are then NATed or network address translated onto the internet. These addresses are non-routable on the internet. So you need to use NAT to get access to the internet if you're using one of these IP addresses. So again, I could go to youtube.com, get access to the internet, even though I'm using one of these IP addresses because my addresses are being NATed onto the internet. So as an example, if I ping google.com, notice I can ping google.com from this computer even though I'm using these IP addresses. Again, these are RFC 1918 addresses. These are private IP addresses. You wouldn't be able to dox me or DDoS me if you only saw these IP addresses, unlike a lot of the comments I see on my videos.